How to fix Gmail requires one or more Google Play services on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open the Play Store and check if there's an update for Gmail, and then just update it. And after that, go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Gmail and click on it, and then click storage, and now clear cache. And after that, go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, just click on it and click allow, and that's it, allow all of those. And now all you need to do, just click storage and click clear data, and then click OK. But you will need to log into your accounts again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.